Hi, it's William. Welcome to my channel. I decided to start a new series, and so basically, I'm going to go through the basic and classic design pattern and the basic functionality of the basic design pattern, classic design pattern of the app. And I'm going to go through all this code quickly, but don't worry if you want to quickly download the code, you can join the Patreon, or if you want to get the step-by-step tutorial that I written, like a written version. I already write this on my website called Lawyer Free, and once you join the Patreon, just the $3 a month, and you join the Patreon and you enter, and you can unlock all this. Like step-by-step with explanation tutorial. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna go through that quickly. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to do something like this. So it's a very typical function that you may use, especially if you want more interactivity of your app. So you click somewhere and you get that specific tabbed information on your screen, and you move a thing to here. So right now I use a cat to represent it. So you can do something like say, hey, I want maybe a video player, something like that. Okay, so it's playing the movie, something like that. You want it to move to this place, you just tap it, it will just automatically go this place. And of course, you can also use the save area to get the save area of the buttons. If you do not have this, the cat will move to really below it, you won't be able to see it. So you'll get a freak out, where's the cat? But I added a little bit padding for the safe area, so you can only go as low as this, so you can still see a hint, like a tail of the cat. So you can click up, and then the cat will return to its original place. Okay, so without further ado, let's quickly go through all this. So a quick overview. So first we need to set up the view. Okay, I'm not going to type it because the waste of time. I have already write a detailed blog for this, so I'm going to just quickly go through this. So first, the state will initialize the original position. Okay, so if you run the app, you will get this position as initial position, which will be at the center, because you got your screen main bounce and width, and a bounce of height divided by 2. So approximately you get somewhere here, and things this will take some space, as well as the cat positions a little bit lower, so you can get sort of anchored here. Okay, and once you got this, and we got this save area, the calculation of the save area first just get the specific scene. Okay, and the scene is you get your application shared connected scene. So for example, you got app got multiple things, you can and get all the scenes, and you can get the first scene will be the a content view scene. Okay, so a default, we enter the scene, and then you access the first and return that, right? And yeah, and of course the rest is build the user interface, where you got this a body property where you can construct our user interface. So basically we're going to get a V stack, and inside V stack with a V stack and a Z stack. Remember that look at here, I use a 3-count view, but use different the scale as well as opacity, because I want to get the depths of this cat. Okay, a little bit shadowing here, so it's depth of scale. Of course, you can just use one. If you just use one, you will get a really flat view, so you won't be able to see the fake depths like this. So let me just show you. Okay, and yeah, of course, I think if you there's not much of a difference, so you can basically hide it. Doesn't really matter. I do 3 just for testing purpose. And of course, you get this on-tap gesture for the position. Of course, if you don't want the save area, you can just use the position. Of course, you can use the adjusted position by subtract the save area button, so you got this when you tap to like a really low below, you got some part like floating above, and then yeah, and then the cat view will be just using the SF symbol for the cat. Okay, change the aspect ratio, color, all that, and then add the custom color as well. So yeah, that's basically how you can get a basic functionality working like this. Okay. Basically, please join the Patreon. I really need your support because right now, as you can see, I only got like a $3 US amount, and subtract all the tax would be just like $2 US. So yeah, I really need your help, and I update that constantly. Okay, and I got this all this all-in-one compilation of all these projects. Okay, and yeah, we got like an Android project, iOS projects, game, Unity game, Godot, and plugin, all that, all this previous source code, and recently I got a step-by-step explained post, so you can check it out. Okay, thanks, bye.